Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. The euro fell drastically after Mario Draghi called the rate cut a policy tool. The euro-dollar pair slipped to the level of 1.1184 during the European session, while in the Asian session it was trading in the black zone. Its quotes rose above the level of 1.12. The single currency was expected to fix above the value of 1.1235, but failed to do so. Mario Draghi caught traders off guard by saying that the ECB will have to lower the key rate if inflation does not steady up. Today, Eurostat confirmed that the core inflation, which the central bank takes into account while making decisions, slowed to 1% in May. In April, the value of the indicator was 1.4%. Market participants have little doubt about the upcoming policy easing after Draghi's comments. On Monday, Benoit Coeuré delivered a speech regarding a possible key rate cut. He noted that the ECB would act accordingly in order to support the economy. Thus, the decision on rate cut can be made within a few months. The pressure on the single currency has increased today after the release of the weak ZEW data. The index of business activity in Germany was at its lowest level in the last 6 months. In June, the indicator fell to -21.1. It reflects an abrupt slowdown of the German economy and the Eurozone as well. The US dollar index remained within the upward trend. Thus, the euro-dollar pair may decrease to 1.11 points. The pound sterling went in a downward spiral. The pound-dollar pair reached the lowest level since the beginning of the year, 1.2526. On Monday, Boris Johnson was supported by one of his former rivals and EU supporter Matt Hancock in his election campaign. It came as a surprise for market participants. Tough Brexit scenario seems to turn into reality. Johnson intends to leave the EU with or without a deal. If the British currency continues its downtrend, the Bank of England may be forced to abandon its economic support policy in order to protect the national currency from further falling. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.